Hello, welcome. What are you looking for today?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket. Something stylish and comfortable for winter.
Sure, we have a new collection. Which color do you like?
I like blue or black.
Okay, please look at this rack. We have both blue and black jackets here.
I like this one. How much is it?
This is from our premium collection. It is $250.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the changing room is over there. I can help you with the size.
My size is medium. Wow, it fits perfectly, and it feels warm.
It looks great on you. It is water resistant, and it has fleece inside, so it will keep you warm in winter.
I like it, but the price is a little high. Do you have any discount?
Today we have 10% off, but if you have a member card, you get 15% off.
I am a member, so how much will it be after 15% off?
From $250, 15% off is $212.50.
Okay, I will take it.
Great, I will make the bill.
Thank you. The service was very good.
Here is your jacket, and here is the bill. Thank you for shopping with us. Please visit again. Have a nice day. Hello, welcome to our cafe. How can I help you today?
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure, what kind of coffee would you like? We have black coffee, cappuccino, latte, and espresso.
I will have a cappuccino.
Great choice. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Okay, do you want any snacks with your coffee?
Yes, please. What snacks do you have?
We have muffins, sandwiches, cookies, and croissants.
I will take a chocolate muffin.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. How much is it?
The cappuccino is $4. The muffin is $3, so the total is $7.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please take a seat. I will bring your order to the table. Here is your cappuccino, and here is your chocolate muffin.
Thank you. This looks great.
Enjoy your coffee and snack.
Wow, this coffee is really good. It is smooth and creamy.
I'm happy you like it. We use fresh coffee beans every day.
That's nice. And the muffin is soft and sweet. Perfect with the coffee.
Yes, many customers love this combination.
This cafe is very cozy. I like the music too.
Thank you. We want our customers to feel relaxed here.
I will definitely come back again.
You are always welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. Hi, you look beautiful today.
Thank you. You look nice too.
I'm glad we could meet here. The weather is perfect.
Yes, the sun is warm and the air feels fresh.
Do you come to this park often?
Sometimes. I like to walk here in the morning. The trees and flowers make me feel happy.
I can see that. It's very peaceful here.
Yes, look at the pond. The water is so calm.
And the ducks are swimming. They look so cute.
Do you want to walk around the park?
Sure. Let's go.
Look, there is an ice cream cart. Do you want some?
Yes, I do. What flavor do you like?
I like vanilla.
Okay, I will get one vanilla for you and one chocolate for me.
Thank you. This is delicious.
You're welcome. I like spending time with you.
Me too. Talking with you makes me happy.
Do you want to come here again next week?
Yes, I would love that. Maybe we can bring some snacks and have a picnic.
That's a great idea. We can sit on the grass and watch the sunset.
And maybe take some photos together.
Definitely. Today has been a very nice day.
Yes, it has. I'm glad we met.
Me too. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting me.
Let's walk to the gate. I'll take you home.
Okay. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Sure. What happened?
I'm looking for the city library, but I think I am lost.
Oh, the city library? Yes, I know it.
Really? That's great. How can I get there from here?
It's not far. Go straight on this road for 2 blocks.
Okay, 2 blocks.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Left at the traffic light. Got it.
You will see a big white building with a clock on top. That is the library.
Oh, that sounds easy. How long will it take to walk there?
About 10 minutes.
Thank you so much. I am new in this city.
No problem. Where are you from?
I am from another town. I came here yesterday for work.
Welcome to the city. It's a nice place.
Yes, it looks nice, but I don't know the roads yet.
Don't worry, you will learn quickly.
I hope so. By the way, is the library open now?
Yes, it's open until 8 p.m.
Perfect. I need to return a book.
Oh, I like reading too. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly novels and travel books.
Nice. Well, I hope you enjoy your visit to the library.
Thank you again for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what are you looking for?
I need some milk powder. I want to buy one packet.
Sure, we have different brands. Do you want full cream or skimmed milk powder?
I think full cream. My family likes it creamy.
Okay, here are some options. This one is a popular brand, and this one is organic.
How much is the popular brand
It costs $5 for 1 kilogram.
and the organic one?
That is $6 per kilogram.
I will take the popular one. Can I also get some biscuits?
Sure, the biscuits are over there on the shelf.
Thank you. Oh, and do you have any snacks made from milk powder?
Yes, we have milk fudge and milk cookies.
I will take some milk fudge too. How much is it?
It's $3 per pack.
Okay, I will take one pack.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all for today. How much is the total?
The milk powder is $5 and the milk fudge is $3. Total is $8.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello, is this taxi available?
Yes, it is. Where do you want to go?
Want to go to Maple Street, please?
Sure, hop in.
How much will it cost to Maple Street?
It will be around $10 depending on traffic.
Okay, that's fine.
Is this your first time visiting this area?
Yes, I usually come to the mall, but not to this street.
Oh, Maple Street has many nice restaurants and shops. You will like it.
That sounds good. I might visit more often then.
Do you live far from here?
Not very far. About 15 minutes by car.
Great. How was your day?
Very good. I went shopping, had coffee, and enjoyed a walk in the park.
Sounds like a nice day.
Yes, it was relaxing. And now I'm ready to go home.
That's good. Traffic is light today, so we should get there quickly.
Thank you. By the way, do you know any good places to eat on Maple Street?
Yes, there is a small cafe with delicious sandwiches and pastries. You can try it next time.
I will. Thank you for the tip.
Here we are. That will be $10, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye. Finally, I am home. What a long day.
Hello. Welcome home. How was your day?
Hi, Mom. It was great. I went shopping, had coffee, and spent time in the park.
That sounds wonderful. Did you get everything you needed?
Yes, I bought a jacket, some milk powder, and a snack.
Good job. Did you enjoy your coffee too?
Yes, Mom. I had a cappuccino and a chocolate muffin at the cafe.
Nice. Did you go anywhere else?
Yes, I took a taxi and explored Maple Street a little.
That sounds like a fun day. Did you meet anyone interesting?
Not really, but someone asked me for directions on my way home. I helped her.
That's very kind of you.
Thank you, Mom. I like helping people when I can.
So are you hungry? I can make you some dinner.
Yes, I am a little hungry. Something simple, please.
Okay. How about some rice and vegetables?
That's perfect. I'm ready to eat.
Great. You go and wash your hands. I will set the table.
Sure, Mom.
Here is your dinner. I also made a cup of milk for you.
Thank you, Mom. Everything looks delicious.
I am glad. Tell me more about your day while you eat.
Well, I first went to the shopping mall. I tried a jacket and got a discount. Then I went to the cafe. I had coffee and a snack. Later, I went to the park for a short walk. On my way home, a girl asked me for directions. And finally, I took a taxi home.
That is a very full day. I am happy you spent your day well.
Me too, Mom. I had a lot of fun. Finally, it's time to sleep. What a long day.
Good night. Did you have a good day?
Yes, Mom. I did many things today. I went shopping, had coffee, went to the park, and helped someone with directions.
That sounds like a full day. Are you tired now?
Yes, very tired. My body feels heavy.
Good. Rest is important after a busy day. Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, Mom. I just finished brushing.
Great. Now, get under the blanket and lie down.
Okay, Mom.
Close your eyes and try to relax. Think about the good things from today.
I will. I really enjoyed the park and my coffee.
That's nice. Remember, tomorrow is a new day. You will have more fun.
Yes, I am looking forward to it.
Sleep well, my dear. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. Good night.
Today was wonderful. I am happy. Good night.